Welcome back to the next class, children. As we already know that we have completed the addition. The same thing now we people are going to see here about the next class is about based on the second operation, second fundamental operation, that is, you know that subtraction. It is a minus, where you people are grouping some things, and from that group you people are going to remove the things and you are keeping it aside as a two groups, making it as a two groups, like that. It is a subtraction here. We will see some examples and the points will be understanding clearly about the concept subtraction. As we have seen the addition with the two methods, the same thing with the subtraction also we have two methods. One is without borrowing and one is with borrowing. There you have seen in the addition has carry over and without carry over, like that only here with borrowing and without borrowing. It is two steps are there. So we will see the examples here. So from their previous class knowledge from class 2, that is two digit subtraction without borrowing, means you are not taking any help from the previous number, directly you are going to subtract it from the each place values. As we are being particular to the numbers, the digits and the place values and the symbol minus, for same thing as we done in the addition, plus the same rules you have to follow here only, but only thing is it is subtraction. So where already you know that in mathematics the four operations are very important. In that of four operations, this subtraction is a second operation which is important there. How to subtract, if you are having more and if you are going to divide among the two peoples, or if you are going to share that, you people have to subtract it, like that. You people have to, if one group of things if you want to make it for two groups, you have to remove and we have to keep there. So those kind of situations will be taken as a subtraction. So as we know that subtraction means to take away from a group of things. So the minus is the symbol to use for this subtraction. You can see that minus. As we have seen the steps in the addition, the same thing we have some keywords and the steps to do the subtractions method, that okay. We also see that steps and methods here. In addition, altogether you'll collect it in one group and you're keeping it in one group. But in subtraction, whereas taking away, or how many more left, or minus, subtraction, subtract, remains, decreases, less than, subtract, or count back, like that the keywords are used. Okay, so you people have to be clear that whenever the question is asked with the subtractions, what kind of keywords can be asked there. In that, more than, in addition what we used to use, more than means plus 1, here less than means minus 1 or minus the given number, like that. Okay, so you have to be clear with the keywords of this particular operations. Let us learn the steps to subtract two digit numbers without borrowing. Steps to be followed while doing two digit subtraction without borrowing. So these steps are required there when you do the method there, when you are following the method of subtraction here for a two digits. Okay, so I'll show you the steps. Read those steps once again neatly and clearly and follow those steps when you are solving your own problems. So you can see the first step how it is given there. Arrange the numbers in the boxes according to their place value starting from ones place. As I already said you that when you people are writing the numbers or reading the numbers, the steps you have to follow. When you are writing, you are going to see that from ones place, tens place, right, from the right here. And when you are reading there from the left side, you people have to read the from tens place you have to read. So and also when you are doing the calculations also, you have to start it from the ones place, that is from right. So you have to be clear about these steps of that when you write and when you read, which side is used, right or left. Okay, and also when you are writing, that sequence also should be followed, that the number should be written one below the other as a ones place and tens place. According to their place values, you people have to write the numbers one below the other, or else if you miss the sequence, what happens when you are doing the calculation, you may miss the answers also. So writing the procedure also is very important, children. Follow the steps clearly and do the work correctly. So now we will go for the second point. always write the bigger number on top, because as in the addition, whichever number we want we can write, but whereas in the subtraction, always the bigger number should be first and the smaller number should be second. As example, in your first standard you have seen there, if you have a 9 mangoes and if you want to share it for your friend 2 mangoes, so how will you do? You have to write 9 minus 2. You should not write 2 minus 9. Always the bigger number should be taken first. So 9 minus 2, if you do that, the procedure you can follow and you can minus it easily. Okay, the writing procedure for subtraction is always bigger number first and smaller number second. Like that only. While explaining the problems, I'll show you once again. Now we will come to the third point here. Once you have arranged the numbers, start subtracting the numbers from the ones place. As I already said you that when you are doing the calculations, you have to start it from a ones place, from your right side. And fourth point, remember, when you subtract the numbers, count backward. Where in the addition, we used to count forward. If it is 6 plus 3, after 6 we used to add 3 and taking the further numbers, as 6 plus 3 means 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. But whereas in this subtraction, you have to go backward. If it is given as a 6 minus 3, you have to go backward. 6 minus 3. In 6, you have to remove 3. So if you go backward, it is 6, 5, 4. So 6, 5, 4, if you remove, what is left? 1, 2, 3 is left. 3 is left there. Like that, you have to go backward. Okay, I'll show you the examples. You'll be more clear about those examples, how to subtract without borrowing. The 2 digits which you already learnt in your second class, the same thing you people have to revise here. Okay, we'll see the examples, children. So you can see here example 1, subtract 85 minus 12. So the number is given there, 2 digits minus 2 digits, 85 minus 12. So as I said you that you have to make a column there, table, and you people have to insert that, or you have to put those numbers as bigger number first and smaller number second, and ones place, tens place, like that according to their place values. We will see that. See, you can see here tens, ones. In ones place 5 and 2, in tens place 8 and 1, and it is subtraction. You have to put a minus symbol there. So you can see there now 5 minus 2, 8 minus 1, 5 minus 2. As you can take it on your fingers itself. You take on your fingers here 5 to your hand, anyone right or left. 5 you take. In 5 you have to remove 2. So fold the 2 fingers. Any 2 fingers you fold it. So how many fingers left? You can count 1, 2, 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Like that only. Next, coming for the tens place. Now hold 8 fingers from both your hands, and in 8, 1 finger, any 1 finger you fold it. Then if after folding, then how many left? 7. So write there 7. Like that you people can do this calculations on your hands by counting, or else you can take a rough column and you can do it in your book also. So how much you got the answer now? It is 73. Very good, children. You got 73, the final answer. So in this way, people have to write the answer and you have to do the calculations. Okay, I hope you understood how to do this. We'll see the second one. When it is 0, what happens? How you have to do it. Okay. See the second example. It is given, subtract 72 minus 40. Okay, when you have the numbers, you know that you have to subtract the numbers according to their place values. So when it is 0, what happens? In previous addition, how you have done? Like that only, similarly, but only thing here, it is subtraction. So write tens place, ones place, and under that 72 and 40. Ones place 2 and 0, tens place 7 and 4. We will write that. See, like this you people have to write here. Now what you have to do? The first one, ones place, 2 minus 0. 2 minus means any number subtracting 0, it will be the same number, because first we have ones place, first number is 2, greater number is 2, smaller number is 0. So 2 minus 0 will become 2 itself. But where in case of 0 minus 2 will be the different. Don't get confusion, children. Here it is without borrowing. So without borrowing, you have to, if it is 2 minus 0, you have to write 2 only. In case of 0 minus 2, it is different one. That method we will learn it later. But now this method you be clear. 2 minus 0 will be 2 itself. Okay. Greater number minus smaller number means 2 minus 0 or any number minus 0 will be the same number. Okay. 7 minus 4. So again catch hold of 7 means, for example, for a 2 also you can, if you take hold, there is no any subtraction number, so 2 only left out, right? You are not folding any finger, right? Like that only. So next 7 minus 4 here. So 7 is there. In 7, if you fold the, or if you remove 4, then how many left? You will be left with the 3. So 3 will be the answer there. So total final answer will be, yes, very good. That is 32. Your answer is 32 here. Very good children. Well done. So like that you people have to do the calculation here. 72 minus 40. It is 32. Like that you people have to get the calculation and you have to follow the methods what it is already explained there. And based on that you will understand how to do the calculations. Okay. One more example. I'll give you the question. You have to do in your maths homework book. The explained examples also you write in your book. So it will become a practice work for you. And which is given as a question, you have to solve it in your book. Maths homework book. So the third question is subtract 96 minus 56. 96 minus 56. Thinking something there? Yes, 6 minus 6. Because one's place is both the numbers are same. If you are holding the same number and if you remove all the same numbers, what happens? What is left? Think and answer it. This is given for you as a homework. You do this problem. Okay. I'll go with the next concept here. One more, that is, what is that next? Now we have seen that without borrowing. The next is with borrowing. So the next concept is, topic is 2-digit subtraction with borrowing. As I said you that we need a help from the previous one. And we are going to solve the subtraction here. We will see it. As the same thing, what we followed with the previous method, steps is followed the same thing. Only thing, slight changes are there. Arranging to